If your paycheck is your only source of income, then you, my friend, are in what I call an income danger zone. And here's why. Today, more than ever, jobs are not safe, jobs are not secure. So there's three things I teach on my YouTube channel. You're welcome to hit subscribe and follow the channel and catch what I call NFC, no fluff content. Right? These are just experiences I've been through, and I'll just share my advice and what I've learned. Hopefully, I can save someone a headache or two, right? And so but here's what I learned. Today, you have to think differently about money. The rules that got your parents and your grandparents by, it no longer applies today. Everything changed in 2020 with the pandemic, the financial system changed, everything changed. What you saw or what you see now in the stores or the prices of homes and cars, that was not like a shift. That was a reset. Like these are the new standards now. And so you've got to do things differently. If you want to win this money game today, and yes, it's a game because there are players. There are players who win, players who just get by, and then players who lose, right? That's the poor, that's the middle class, and that's the rich and wealthy. I'd rather play at the highest level. And if you're anything like me, you would rather do the same. So again, hit subscribe, hit thumbs up. Also, uh, the fundamentals that I've learned, things that I apply right now, you don't have to do what I do. This is not financial advice. This is what I would do, right? I would change the way I think about money. Number one, you need to realize that there's no such thing as a safe, secure job anymore. Whether it's AI, whether it's automation, whether it's your coworker who's going to get your job after they fire you and don't replace you, whatever the case. Jobs are very, very like volatile right now. The job market is. Secondly, never allow your paycheck to be your only source of income. If you have one, you have none. If you lose it, you lose everything. Third, don't just pile money in the bank for the purpose of just stacking money in the bank and waiting on emergencies or bad things to happen. That's a terrible way to go about doing anything. If you do that, eventually at some point, you're going to get an emergency, you're going to get a rainy day, you're going to get some bad things happening, and then you're going to feel good because you're going to be able to come on here and rub it in my face and say, Sean, see, I told you having 6 months or a year of savings in the bank helped me. I had an emergency, I was able to get out of it. And then I'll say, okay, let's pretend you had $0 in the bank. Could you still have gotten out of that emergency? Sure, there are other ways you could have protected yourself. You could have borrowed money, you could have sold something, you could have hustled, you could have swiped your credit card, you could have financed through the company. See, there's always something. So the bills get paid, right? So, but a better idea would have been to use the money out of the bank accounts, at least some of the money, use it to invest in some type of asset or acquire an asset or create an asset like a middleman business, like what I teach on this channel. And then you could have used that money, allowed the business to grow or the investment to grow to create cash flow and then live off cash flow. That way you don't always have to live off of paychecks because paychecks run out. You get cash flow, you can continue to get cash flow. So I always say you either own a system or you're going to get owned by the system. You're going to spend your life making yourself wealthy or you're going to spend your life making someone else rich and wealthy. I'd rather make myself rich and wealthy. But a lot of you guys, you're so afraid and paranoid because you think everything is risky. Everything's a scam. Not realizing that if you're not where you want to be in this life and you're playing by the money rules, you're stacking money in the bank and waiting on emergencies, in fact, manifesting emergencies, then you've already been scammed. If you're sitting there thinking your job is safe and secure and that paycheck's going to be there tomorrow, you've already been scammed. If you believe that all you need is a paycheck to cover your bills and manage your lifestyle and you can live below your means and stay small and get small and eat Taco Bell and ramen noodles, you've already been scammed. You just hadn't realized it. But I'm here to wake you up and say, look around. You've already been scammed. You're the only one who didn't notice because they trained you that everything that was an opportunity was a scam. And they trained you, they programmed you that anything that had risk was a scam. Not understanding that anything that comes with barely any risk is a scam, right? Staying in the position you're in for the rest of your life and calling it living, that's a scam. But again, you've been so programmed that everything looks like it's a scam. And the truth is, you're already living the scam. You've already been scammed. Are you living the life you want to live? No, you've been scammed because somehow you've been trained that the path you're on, the road you're on, is going to get you to where you want to be. And I have one question for you. Has it happened yet? No. You know why? Because you, my friend, believe it or not, you've been scammed.